Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a makeup tutorial for you guys. This is Eid inspired, that's why I'm all like glammed up more than usual. We're just a couple of days away from Eid and I decided to film this. This is actually like the second time I'm filming this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. I want to keep it really like casual and I want to keep it chit chatty and still, you know, do my makeup. I'm not doing a really dramatic look. This is something that I am like comfortable doing on special occasions, or if I'm going out and if I want to just look like I'm done up but not done too much. So I'm not gonna do any like fake lashes or anything today because like on Eid day I'm usually so busy running around that I never get time to do fake lashes. So I'm gonna keep it as real as possible. Let's get straight into it. So I like to start all of my makeup looks with primer. I am using the Napoleon Purtis Autopilot primer. Oh, why am I falling off? And if I look tired, guys, I actually like I had such a long day at work, and then I was like, I basically filmed this whole video 2 days ago and I was editing the footage and I just felt like there was a lot of clips which were not as like clear as I wanted them, and then, you know, I didn't want to put a video which wasn't that good out there. So it's now like 9 o'clock at night and I am refilming this entire thing. So hopefully it helps some of you guys. Okay guys, so basically I don't use eye primer, but I do use this Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. Not eyeliner, concealer. And I feel like it just helps my eyeshadow like really stick on and just stay. I'm gonna use this little mirror to help me. And because, well, basically what happened was I bought this and at that time I was really pale, and then you know, now I'm a little bit more tan and it's way too light for my face. So I just feel like it's really good for just as an eye primer now. I'm just gonna get a brush and I'm gonna apply some powder to the eye to just set that concealer, so we can move on to the eyeshadow. So I'm using two eyeshadow palettes today. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm also using the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I'm gonna be using burnt orange and this shade over here called Religa, I think. And from the Naked 3 palette I'm going to be using the shade Trick, which is kind of like a gold eyeshadow. So I'm just putting the burnt orange shade in my eye, kind of like in the crease and halfway in my eye. I'm also kind of just taking it out to this edge. So what do you guys do on Eid? Like, what are your like family traditions that you guys have? Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that golden shade from the Naked 3 palette and I'm gonna put it on my inner lid. I'm also gonna put this shade on my inner corner of the eyes. So when I used to like live in Brisbane with my parents, we used to go and like pray on Eid together, and then we would pretty much have like all these like breakfast and lunch parties to go to, and then people would like come to our house and we would get Eid. Oh, I dropped my brush. But then, you know, like I'm away from my parents this time, so it's gonna be different. But luckily my parents-in-law are here, so that's gonna make it really fun, I think. Okay. So I've just added that like golden shade at the inner corner, and as usual, I'm gonna blend it out. Guys, honestly, I was like not wanting to film a makeup tutorial because I feel like I'm not, like, even though I love to do my makeup, I just feel like I'm not that good at filming makeup tutorials. Like, there's so many professionals out there, so I just feel like I'm not good enough, if that makes sense. But then a lot of you guys requested it, so I just thought, you know, like, what's the harm in doing this? I'm also gonna go in with this golden shade from the Anastasia palette called Primavera. It's just that golden shade over there, and I'm also gonna apply it to the inside of my eye. Wow, it's so pigmented. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this out. So yeah, as I was saying, like yesterday was a public holiday here in Australia. It was like the Queen's birthday holiday. So I was at home, but because of that now, I can't even think about taking Eid off because, as you guys know, I work as a pharmacist. And it just gets too much. Like, it's just crazy sometimes. Like, I can't take holidays when I want to. It's just, the work just piles up. So I'm pretty much done with my eyeshadow. It matches my hijab, which is why I like it. So this is how I do it. I firstly create the wing. See? On both sides. Make sure it's even. Then I just start from the inside like this. So today I am using two foundations. I've got the MAC Studio Fix foundation in NC20, I think. Yeah, NC20. I've also got the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Ivory. And I'm just gonna mix them on my hand. I'm gonna use one of these I don't know, blending brushes to apply this foundation. So I've just jumped into using my beauty blender to blend everything out. These brushes are still pretty good to apply the foundation. I'm also gonna apply it to my neck because you guys can see my neck. Okay, hopefully this is good enough. So I'm gonna move into concealer. First, I'm using this yellow corrector. It's from LA Girl. It's just a normal yellow corrector. I also have an orange corrector, but I don't think I need it today. I'm just going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in number 20. Okay, so I've pretty much applied my concealer wherever I want to highlight it. And I'm just blending this out with a beauty blender. My beauty blender is damp as well. Can you believe how disgusting and dirty this is? I haven't washed it in 2 weeks. But seriously, I've had the busiest few months of my life. And now we need to like shift houses, and it's gonna get a lot worse than it has been. So I'm not excited for that. I'm gonna grab that orange, burnt orange shade again, and I'm gonna just apply this to my under eyes. Okay guys, one issue with me is like I can't apply kajal in my eyes. So if I apply anything black in my eyes, I feel like I look really evil. So I just don't do it. I'm also gonna go in with some glitter. This is just golden glitter. It's so pretty, guys. I don't know if you guys will see it on the camera. I'm just gonna get my finger and I'm gonna apply this to my lids. I guess it will just add a little bit of drama to my eyes because I'm not doing fake eyelashes. This glitter is by Napoleon, which I think it's an Australian makeup brand. So now I'm just going in with concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic in the blackest black. Okay guys, I just did my bronzer. I'm gonna move on to my blush. This is the Spring Sheen blush from MAC. This is one of my favorite blushes of all times. It just really complements like our Pakistani skin tone, I think. It's kind of peachy and orangey. I'm just gonna apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And I'm gonna take it up to my temples. I'm also gonna apply a tiny amount on my nose so I look like I'm cute and blushing. Now I'm gonna apply the Fenty Beauty highlight. Okay. I'm quickly gonna do my eyebrows. I don't do much for my eyebrows. Like sometimes I don't do my eyebrows at all because I feel like they're quite thick naturally and I don't like applying too much product on them. But I'm just using this Rimmel eye gel just to kind of put them in place. I'm using the Lime Crime Lip Velveteens in Red Velvet. This has got to be my favorite red lipstick ever. But if you screw it up, it's really hard to fix. So I hope this makeup tutorial was helpful for you guys. I hope I can post this in time for Eid because Eid is like 2 days away and I still have to edit this video and I have to go to work in the morning. So So I'm pretty much stressing out right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Comment below and tell me what you guys want to see next. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription box below and do not forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.